Hi everyone, Sailor Moon, Sailor Moon here, and Sailor Mars here, and today we're going to talk about why there's always seems to be coughing going on in our films, but never ever seems to happen any other time. Now I know, I know there's going to be some folks out there who think, oh, it has to do with dust. Well, if that's true, then we'd be coughing in a lot of steads, not only in the bedroom. And it only really seems to happen, you know, when we're making a film. If we're not making a film, then there's really very rarely any coughing or sneezing going on. Now, see, there it goes right now. And some folks might think, oh, well, there's some things you need to get out, but there's nothing that comes out, you know? Even if I would be doing gagging or whatever, which I do from time to time, nothing came out. The last time I ever had to do anything and nothing came out was like, I don't know, last year when I got the cold. And that was the last time that we ever had to gag anything out. And since then, we haven't had to gag nothing. Now, I know some of you folks out there might wonder, why this always seems to happen. Like, why is it that it happens, when we're making a film, but it does not seem to happen when we're not making a film as much? The answer is, I don't know. I'm going to go somewhere a little more sunny. Well, over here then. Fuck. All right, where we at? Get this shit off the screen. So we're going to go somewhere else or a little more sunny. And the answer to why we're always coughing sometimes in our films, it seems to happen more times in our films, I don't know. Everybody's going to have their own beliefs, their own thought of why that happens. But it's not anything that we're worried about. We're not like we're worried about why it is. I mean, it just seems to happen a lot when we cough, and there's not really seems to be an answer for it. Now, someone out there might say, oh, dust, like we said that earlier. But if that's true, there's dust everywhere you're at. Every room, every house, every outside, whatever. If that was true, you'd be coughing more often than not. And we don't cough. Fuck! Ugh. I hate this, Sailor Mars. I do. Oh, it's fucked up. Get in the stand. Get in there. So, yeah. Why we're always, it's beyond us. You want to say something? Oh, yeah, Sailor Moon. I want to say something. First off, bullshit. Irwin toy stand. Knocked me over. 2, we're not cutting any of this out. And why we're always coughing, it seems a lot when we do a film or an upload or a short, you would say, but it doesn't really seem to happen as much, if we're not doing it. I mean, we cough sometimes when we're not doing a film, upload, live stream, short, but it seems to happen more often, more times when we're making an upload, live stream, or short. Like there isn't a ground for it. A lot of folks will say, oh, well, need be there, God, dust out the room. Well, guess what? We're outside. And you can't dust outside now, can you? And it only seems to happen when we're making a film. Any other time, the body doesn't really think it's needed to cough or sneeze that much. Oh, make a film, then the body says, oh, let it all out. See? And nothing came out, and that was the gagging. So, your guess is as good as mine about why that happens. And I know we made a film talking about why we're always coughing all the time in our films, or uploads, live streams, shorts. I would want to say podcast, but guess what? We don't have the feed that one has to have to upload a podcast. So yeah, it's only going to be upload, live stream, or short. Anyway, at the end of the day, it's bullshit that this happens. You see? So anyway, does anyone have any other thoughts or beliefs, or why you think we cough sometimes in our uploads, our live streams, and shorts? Well, I guess they don't. They wouldn't have the answer for it anyway. They'd have their guesses. All right, looks like we're going to end this film. If you like this film, then follow us over here at Sailor Moon for Life. Don't forget to, when we end the film, don't forget to thumb up, playlist, and share this film. Don't forget to watch the other film we made earlier this morning with Sailor Moon here and Sailor Mercury, so Quicksilver earlier. And if you haven't followed us, do so with the hitting the bind and the ringer to know when the next upload, live stream, or short's been done. I, Sailor Mars, Sailor Red World Ray, and I, Sailor Moon Serena, and see you later.